My name's John Lindberg. I live in Reno, Nevada. Painting contractor. I do know houses. I knew the roof was drying out, so I knew it wouldn't be a matter of time before some of the edges started to curl up. I've seen what it looks like. I go on roofs to paint chimneys, so I know what it looks like. Well, I've done some work for Brad. I painted his house, painted his business, his new shop. And he told me about an exciting new product, Roof Maxx, and had me go on YouTube and watch some videos. I understand it's a soybean oil-based product that penetrates into the shingles, restoring the life to the asphalt. I was interested. It was looking kind of old and maybe faded a little bit. Now it kind of looks new. I think the biggest concern I had was, whether it was going to leave any overspray on anything or stain my gutters or harm my vegetation. It's pretty green around here. I kind of like to keep it that way, and didn't do a thing to anything. So I was happy with that. I'd rather maintain something than, say, put a $40,000 or $50,000 roof on. This was a fraction of the cost. So roofs aren't cheap. With the money that I saved from not having to buy a new roof, I was able to buy expensive lawn furniture, a trellis, I put in pavers, I've done all kinds of new plantings. So yeah, it's been pretty extensive what I've done with that money. But yeah, I recommend it. People have asked me and I tell them the truth, straight up.